I recorded this a long
Place
time
on
ago,
level
and I didn't know
surface.
I had a YouTube
Do not
channel.
hold in hand. Light surface and get away. So guys, what that means is the people who are going to be around this, once it gets lit up, you literally have to run, or else you could die from this. You could die from any fireworks actually, but
Well, we also have colored sparklers. We have red, green, and
turns out you
blue.
have a sword.
And, oh, wait a minute. Here, we got to read the directions on that.
Is this mine?
Yeah, it's like a giant sparkler thing.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So we'll do that when we do everything.
Yeah, but I'm going to tear this off.
No, because
The front.
No, because I don't know if it comes off. Okay.
But apparently after, then I
So we
get
got to
this.
read that.
But that is all the fireworks that we had. And
And we did get a lantern, so we could send off in the sky.
Cool. We're definitely going to be using this. But guys, most of these fireworks, like, let's read this one. See if this one says the same thing. Yep, this one says the exact same
They
thing.
threw that one in. What is that?
Small bees. There's this small bees thing, guys, and it's just little mini fireworks that literally could go literally anywhere. But guys, if you are trying to light fireworks, let me give you a little heads up. Do not light them up in grass, because it will catch the grass on fire and probably catch whatever around is on fire. So do it on like concrete like this. Like this is sturdy and everything. So do it on that. And we're gonna be doing fireworks after we eat dinner or something. I don't know.
Yeah. All right. We'll check in with you when it gets darker.
Yeah, we're doing it when it gets a lot darker. But there's hold on, the camera's right there. But yeah, we'll see you guys once we light all the fireworks, and we are gonna transfer it onto the camera on the trash can. He's trying to light something, guys.
Throw it in the air.
Ah.
I feel like one of the flight attendant guys. I don't know how this paper don't catch on fire.
By lighting it on fire.
Do it away from the tree call, so it goes up over here.
Don't know why he's scooting it towards me. My dad's right there. Hey. Hey, Dad. Oh, God. What's that smell? Dad? What? You're gonna catch me?
Oh, Kyle, it's got a big hole in it. Just put it out.
Don't.
Go get some tape.
Oh, it has a big old hole on the side.
All right, well, we need some water then. Put that thing out.
Grandma, will you film me? Will you film me? Hold on. Wait, Grandpa.
Watch it, it drips.
Grandpa, where's the flashlight?
Like that? There we go. Yeah.
Whoa, dude!
Because it got this hole
I wanna
over
have that.
here. Is why it's not flying.
Here, Grandma, face it towards me.
Okay.
You sure
Yeah, here.
about this?
I think it's just going to burn.
Does it hurt?
No. Look, I'm sitting here holding two. You've held sparklers
Take it.
before, Ian.
Just twirl it.
Ha ha.
There. One more time.
All right, take it out of the grass.
Stop it, Cindy. It's not going to catch on fire.
Woo!
Probably getting ready to go out. Oh, man.
Ah,
Hold it up again. Let's go. You're our lighter.
This one is out, Grandma. Grandma, this one is out, and you can tell. Follow me. Follow me.
That light.
Like this one? Here, this one's red. This is dangerous to have a flame that's just in a paper.
Guys, Grandma, I'm about to get one.
Here.
Yeah. I-A-N. Team. Woo.
Gotta keep them going. Wow, these burn so much faster than other ones. See, I could, if this hole wasn't in here.
These
you
are
could tell how
colored.
that fills up, though.
Hey, look. Grandma. So, I'm gonna get another one.
Sparklers everywhere.
Yeah, could you give me another one? Yeah.
Working on it. Grandpa don't know how to hold this thing. I got a thing that's
There's
paper
about
that's all
24
going
of
to
these.
catch on fire.
Guys,
That would have taken off,
Guys.
though.
Grandma, I'm gonna try to attempt on getting a sparkler while. No, that's too dangerous for a kid. I was gonna get a sparkler plus a bee. About to get
What color
one.
you want?
Green. Woo!
Oh, stop it, you
C-O-R-E.
See, what I don't understand is this, if you let that go up. Yeah.
There's an ash right
All right,
there.
Ian, which one next? Which one's the grand finale? This one's the grand
That
finale.
one. No, that one.
No, this one's the grand finale.
No, yeah.
No, it goes like this. We're gonna look at prices because the more expensive, the better they better be.
So that's 25.
Shh. Look at the price.
No, you buy one, you get one free.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
No, really, that was what it was.
Still makes it $12.50 though. It doesn't really make it better, Cindy.
I may be wearing wacky.
Stop moving.
I think the lighter's going up here. That's a fountain.
Oh, it's a fountain?
Uh-huh.
I thought that one was gonna shoot up in the air.
What's the big
Yeah, that
I hope Sharon's not sleeping.
No, the light is still going.
Let's go wake Sharon up.
It's all right. She's probably looking at the window watching.
Oh yeah, right.
Sharon's on our driveway. Look, this is in the yard now. Well, she used to steal my balls and shit when they were in the yard, so maybe.
I don't know, you don't think she'll melt that asphalt, do you?
I know, that's what I was looking at. Like,
It's still going.
Four times.
that's good.
We have 2 grand finales left.
Get those back
No,
over in our yard.
the
Don't stop
Hawaiian
it,
volcano's
Cindy.
the
We take
finale.
care of
That's
the
the
yard.
second. Guys, literally, this one's so huge.
But this one's gonna
You're
shoot.
a landscaper.
That one's gonna shoot up.
Can you
Dad, that one's gonna shoot
stop
up.
moving the flashlight?
You gotta shine it.
That's what I'm
Shine it
doing.
on the fuse.
So don't put them in Sharon's driveway.
Don't put that
Put
one
them
in
wherever
Sharon's
you
driveway.
want.
Huh?
Put-
I'm afraid what's in
It don't matter.
it. It's the exact same one as the other one.
Ain't gonna
Put on
burn.
the edge of
They
ours.
ain't gonna burn the ass.
Well, because I don't want to hit her garage either.
What if it hits that?
It's not. Just light it.
Oh, okay. Go back over a little bit then.
Go back.
Yeah.
It won't hit that power line. Why you keep running?
To be safe.
Oh, it's a fountain? Grand finale's fountains?
I don't know.
Is this the Hawaiian?
No, the
But
oth-
it looked just like the Hawaiian one.
the Hawaiian one's the
Maybe it's
finale.
the one.
Let me tell you, this is not a good finale.
Go along with it.
Look at that flame in the middle of it.
That has nothing to do with it.
good. It's not done yet.
You ever get those ones that shoot at people?
Oh, it's not even done.
The Roman candle. Yeah, the Roman candle. With the big stick.
They had Roman candles there.
This actually was a good finale.
There's one big one over here still.
It's the exact same.
Oh, that's 2 for 1. Gotta be.
Boy, it's still going.
Man, there's smoke going down Chester Boulevard, man. Those things make a lot of smoke.
Oh, it's not even
Yeah,
done.
the Roman candle. Yeah, the Roman candle. With the big stick.
They had Roman candles there.
This actually was a good finale.
There's one big one over here still.
It's the exact same.
Oh, that's 2 for 1. Gotta be.
Boy, it's still going.
Man, there's smoke going down Chester Boulevard, man. Those things make a lot of smoke.
You can still smell the ashes.
Yay.
The light.
Hawaiian volcano is last.
27 is like foggy. They'll be fine. Oh,
No,
I got on
it's
the moped's gonna crash.
Is it foggy?
Yeah.
Come over
It's
here.
like when we burnt the paper.
The foggy's
Yeah, it is. The air is still.
By the way, there's a little piece of ashen fire.
Burn up.
I'm burning the sides of the
I
candle.
guess not.
I don't care.
The fire eventually goes out.
I feel like I'm about to step on something.
No, you're not.
It's the exact same one.
Yeah.
Is it called the same thing?
No, it's the exact same thing.
Yeah, let me see it first. Grant Balloon. What's this do if I throw this thing flying? Huh? What's that?
I think we made somebody crash because of all the fog.
Real purple.
That's a good one.
It's the exact same one.
Looks like it's just Yay!
Hey guys, and then we're gonna have one grand finale. You guys cannot even see me.
That was it. Give me the light.
No, one more grand finale because of this thing. But we'll get back to you guys.
You're supposed to make a wish.
Dad!
What are you doing? A sparkler?
What is this thing?
Are those with bees?
Yeah, let's do it.
Whoa!
That was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at my hand from that sparkler.
Oh, you have to put Snello on it.
My dad just burnt himself.
We're supposed to make a wish.
I already have.
You already have?
Yeah.